Wow, full war paint. Look at this. Fake lashes and everything. Not normally I do that. The pink hair. Pink and blues and purples and all sorts. I love that. Seen the racing dolls. Great. But I've been sponsored too. Oh, well. I am exhausted. I might look okay. Actually, with how many photos I've had taken of me today, you could probably just like build another me. It's been a great reception. Lots of people thinking that I'm attractive enough that they want to see pictures of me, which is cool. I'm not overly vain. It's people tell me that I'm pretty and tell me that I can model and tell me that my pictures look good. And to me, it's about creating an image. It's not about me. I've done editorial work. I don't just do pretty. I'll do like crazy stuff, like crazy mad hair and all sorts of mad, weird and wonderful shenanigans. I'm so tired. I'm in a lot of pain. It's now, what, about 1 o'clock? 12? Something? Let me see. It is 12:30. And at 3:30, I am getting cut out of a car, which is pretty cool, by the fire brigade. So I'll just keep smiling and faking and pretending that I'm okay.